हेलो एंड वेलकम ऑल टू द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ सक्सेस कैप्सूल। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज का एग्ज़ाम 4 अक्टूबर को कंडक्ट हुआ है, तो हम लोग उसका जनरल अवेयरनेस का पेपर डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन आवर क्लास। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आधार metadata cannot be stored for more than 3 months. This statement is incorrect. In a recent ruling, Supreme Court has said this time limit should not be more than 6 months. Statement number 2, state cannot enter into any contract with private corporation for sharing Aadhaar data. This is correct. Aadhaar is mandatory for obtaining insurance product. This is incorrect. Supreme Court has clearly mentioned that there is no need to link Aadhaar with bank accounts and mobile phones. So this makes this statement incorrect. Next is Aadhaar is mandatory for getting benefits funded out of consolidated funds of India. This statement is correct. Aadhaar has been found as a legitimate exercise for welfare schemes which are directly funded from consolidated fund of India. So 2 and 4 are the correct answers. B is the correct answer. Question number 2, Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha in amending the constitution. B is the correct answer. Under Article 368, an amendment of constitution can be initiated only by introduction of a bill in either house of parliament, and bill must be passed in each house by special majority. Each house must pass the bill separately, and there is in case of disagreement there is no provision for holding a joint sitting. So B is the correct answer. Question number 3, with reference to funds under members of parliament local area development scheme MP lads, statement number 1 must be used to create durable assets. ये statement correct है. A specified portion of each MP's fund must benefit SC/ST population. This is also correct. Number 3, MP-led funds are sanctioned on yearly basis and the unused funds cannot be carried forward. This statement makes it incorrect. ये funds unlapsable हैं, कभी lapse नहीं होते हैं, carried forward हो जाते हैं. Statement number 4, the district authority must inspect at least 10% of all works under implementation every year. This is correct. So the correct answer is D. Question number 4, which one of the following categories of fundamental rights incorporates protection against untouchability as a form of discrimination? तो इसका आंसर आएगा D, right of equality. Article 14 say that state shall not deny to any person equality before law or the equal protection of laws within the territory of India. And Article 15 provides that state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Next question, in India, separation of judiciary from the executive is enjoined by a directive principle of state policy. Article 50. Article 50 prescribes to separate the judiciary from executive in the public services of states. Next question, along with the budget of the finance minister also places other documents before parliament which include macroeconomic framework statement. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी, प्रोविजंस ऑफ फिस्कल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बजट मैनेजमेंट एक्ट 2003. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल गवर्नमेंट बाय डेफिनेशन इज government by legislature. Constitutional government is defined by the existence of a constitution which may be which is a legal instrument or merely a set of fixed norms and principles generally accepted as fundamental law of polity. So moving on to next question, other than fundamental rights, which of the following parts of Constitution of India reflects the principles and provisions of Universal Declaration of Human Rights? All of the three. D is the correct answer. The preamble of Indian Constitution reflects the inspiring ideals, जिसमें कि specially mention किया है dignity of individual. In case of directive principles, there is provision for right to educate, means of livelihood, right against economic exploitation, equal pay to both sexes, right to work. In fundamental duties if we say, तो जो अभी लेटेस्ट ऐड हुई है बाय द 86 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट 2002, राइट टू एजुकेशन फॉर अ चाइल्ड, that is also a part of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So D is the correct answer. Moving on to next question, in India, legal services authorities provide for legal services to which of the following type of citizens? Person with an annual income of less than 1 lakh, this is correct. Transgender with an annual income of less than 2 lakh, this is also correct. All senior citizens is an incorrect statement. Only those senior citizens who earn less than 1 lakh a year are applicable for free legal aid. So A is the correct answer here. And इनके अलावा all women, children, SC/ST population, disabled person can access free help. And it was the Legal Services Authorities Act was passed in 1987 and came into force in 1995. Question number 10. इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट्स और उनका सब्जेक्ट क्या है? आल्मा आटा डिक्लेरेशन 1978, हेल्थ केयर ऑफ पीपल with the goal of health for all, this is correct. Hague Convention, this is related with it protects the children and their families against risk of illegal or ill prepared adoptions, so this is incorrect. Talanoa is related to global climate change, this is correct. It was convened as part of UN climate talks. UNDER-2 coalition is a global community of state and regional government. It is also committed to climate action in line with Paris Agreement. So this is incorrect. So correct option here is 3. Moving on to next question. A parliamentary system of government is one in which the government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. इसको कैबिनेट गवर्नमेंट और रिस्पॉन्सिबल गवर्नमेंट भी कहते हैं, लाइक वी हैव इन इंडिया. उसमें जो कैबिनेट द रियल एग्जीक्यूटिव इज अकाउंटेबल टू द पार्लियामेंट एंड स्टेज इन ऑफिस सो लॉन्ग एज इट एंजॉय द लेटर्स कॉन्फिडेंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. विच पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया डिक्लेयर्स आइडल्स ऑफ वेलफेयर स्टेट? दिस इज डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी enumerated in part 4 of constitution. They aim at realizing ideals of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Moving on to next question. The Constitution of India defines its basic structure in terms of federalism, secularism, fundamental rights, democracy. This is correct. Statement number 2. The Constitution of India provides for judicial review to safeguard the citizens' liberties and to preserve the ideals on which Constitution is based. This is correct. So C is the correct answer here. Moving on to next question. Common agreement between Gandhism and Marxism is the goal of final goal of a stateless society. लेकिन दोनों के एम सेम थे, लेकिन डिफरेंस क्या है कि महात्मा गांधी वांटेड टू अचीव दिस थ्रू नॉन वायलेंट मीन्स एंड मार्क्स वांटेड टू अचीव इट थ्रू वायलेंट मीन्स. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ इंडिया विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एप्रोप्रिएट फॉर ब्यूरोक्रेसी? दिस इज डी. An agency for implementation of public policy. It is the responsibility of the bureaucracy to carry out and implement the policies of the government. Question number 16. The preamble to the Constitution of India is, it is a part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. अकेले में वैल्यू नहीं है, लेकिन using with other articles it gives a direction. So moving on to next question. Question number 17. Gold tranche जो है it refers to, answer here is D. Gold tranche or reserve tranche is portion of required quota of currency that each international monetary fund member country provides to IMF, जो कि वो utilize करता है for its own purpose or on purpose without service fee. So moving on to next question. With reference to provisions contained in part 4 of Constitution of India, which of the following statement is are correct? They shall be enforceable by courts. This is incorrect. They shall not be enforceable by any court. This is correct, because they are instruments of instructions only. They are non-justiciable in nature and they are not legally enforceable by courts for their violation. The principles laid down this part are to influence the making of laws by state. This is correct. So D is the correct answer. Next question. According to Constitution, person who is eligible to vote can be made a minister for 6 months even if he or she is not a member of legislature of state. This is incorrect, क्योंकि वोटिंग एज क्या है 18 ईयर्स. और अगर आप लोकसभा में अगर आप अपॉइंटमेंट की लोअर एज देखें तो दैट इज 25 ईयर्स. इन केस ऑफ राज्यसभा 30 ईयर्स ऑफ एज. सो ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल नहीं होता एज वाला. सो अ पर्सन कांट बी अपॉइंटेड एज मिनिस्टर in this case. Next, according to RPA 1951, a person convicted of criminal offense and sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years is permanently disqualified. This statement is incorrect. The person who is convicted for any crime and sent to jail for 2 years or more shall be disqualified for 6 years, not for permanently. 6 years के लिए that person is disqualified. So both the statements are incorrect. Next question. The President of India can summon a session of Parliament at such places as he thinks fit. This is correct. As per Article 85 subsection 1, this is correct. The Constitution of India provides for 3 sessions of Parliament in a year, but ये जो इसमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में प्रोवाइडेड नहीं है. बाय अ कन्वेंशन ऐसा होता आया है कि देयर आर 3 सेशंस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. देयर इज नो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ डेज पार्लियामेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मीट. दिस इज करेक्ट. आर्टिकल 85 में सिर्फ ये स्पेसिफाई किया हुआ है देयर शैल नॉट बी गैप ऑफ मोर देन 6 मंथ्स, लेकिन कोई डे स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है. सो 1 and 3 इज द करेक्ट आंसर, सी. सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. With reference to history, Aurang in charge of Treasury of State, this is correct. Bania India agent of East India Company, this is also correct. They were agents of East India Company. The Mirasidar, they were landed class in eastern India. It was a pre-colonial revenue collecting officer but not payer to the state. So 1 and 2 are correct. A is the correct answer. With reference to religious history of India, Sthaviravidans belong to Mahayana Buddhism. This is incorrect. They belong to Hinayana. Loktavadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. This is correct. The defection of Buddha by Mahasangikas fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. This is also correct statement. 2 and 3 are correct. So B is the correct answer. Which of the following statement correctly explain impact of Industrial Revolution during the first half of 19th century? The answer here is A. Indian handicrafts were ruined. मशीन्स जो इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी वो 19th सेंचुरी से पहले हो चुकी थी, इन द लेटर हाफ ऑफ 18th सेंचुरी. रेलवे लाइंस वी नो कि यहाँ पे फर्स्ट जो स्टार्ट हुई थी 1853 में स्टार्ट हुई थी. हैवी ड्यूटीज भी उससे पहले इम्पोज हो चुकी थी. सो ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. इन सबको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में बताना है. राइज ऑफ प्रतिहारास. मिहिर बोज वॉज 1836 to 1886 AD. Establishment of Pallava Par under Mahendravarman I. This is 600 to 630 AD. Establishment of Chola Par by Prantak I. This is 1907 to 955 AD. And Pala dynasty by Gopala. This is 750 AD. So correct answer will be C. Next question. Which of the following phrases define nature of hundi? It's bill of exchange. It is a financial instrument which was developed during post-Harsha period. So moving on to next question. With reference to book Deshar Katha written by Sakha Ram Ganesh Devsakar, कौन सी statements correct हैं? It warned against colonial states, hypnotic conquest of mind. This is correct. It inspired the performances of Swadeshi street plays and folk song. This is correct. This statement is incorrect. He popularized the ideas of Dadabhai Naoroji and Ranade. And this book was written in 1904, which warned against the colonial states' hypnotic conquest of mind. In spite of this general growth of national and regional awakening and national consciousness, there was no word in Bengali for nation, a fact noted by Rabindranath Tagore. So use of Desh by Desukar is incorrect. 1 and 2 are the correct statements. Next, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact included which of the following? Answer correct here is 1, 2 and 4. Acceptance of Gandhiji's suggestion for inquiry into police excess was incorrect. The features including the INC agreed to take part in roundtable conference. INC would stop the civil disobedience movement, withdrawal of all ordinances that curb the activities of Congress, withdrawal of all prosecutions except those involving violent crimes, रिमूवल ऑफ सॉल्ट टैक्स, जो सॉल्ट टैक्स, जो दो चीज़ें नहीं मानी थी, एक तो यही थी पब्लिक इंक्वायरी इनटू पुलिस एक्सेस, और दूसरा कम्यूटिंग द डेथ सेंटेंस ऑफ भगत सिंह एंड हिज एसोसिएट्स. सो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द विठल विध्वंसक, the first monthly journal to have untouchable people as its target audience, was published by Gopal Baba Walankar. He also wrote articles for Marathi language newspapers such as Shudrak and Deenbandhu. So moving on to next question. With reference to history of India, the Kulyapa and Dronapa denote measurement of land. Post Gupta period में मेजरिंग जो रॉड थी दैट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस, और बहुत सारे लैंड मेजर्स की स्कीम्स इवेंट की गई थी, जिनमें निवर्तना, पतिखला, केदारा, भूमि, एंड दीज टू वर आल्सो अमंग देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रूलर्स एडवाइज that whosoever praises his religious sect or blames other sect out of excessive devotion to his own sect with the view of glorifying his own sect, he rather injures his own sect very severely, was said by Ashoka in his major Rock Edict 7. So A is the correct answer. So moving on to next question. With reference to cultural history of India, which of the following is correct description of paramitas? Answer here is C. Perfections whose attainment led to the Bodhisattva path. Next question. In context of Indian history, the Rakma Bhai case of 1884 revolved around all these three. She was married at the age of 11. In 1885, after 12 years of marriage, she sought restitution of conjugal rights. और उनका केस उस समय जस्टिस रॉबर्ट हिल पिन्ही सुन रहे थे. और ये जो केस था यही आगे जाके कारण बना एज ऑफ कंसेंट एक्ट 1891, विच मेड चाइल्ड मैरिजेस इलीगल अक्रॉस ब्रिटिश एम्पायर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. इंडिगो कल्टीवेशन इन इंडिया डिक्लाइन बाय बिगिनिंग ऑफ 20th century because of its unprofitability in the world market because of new inventions. सिंथेटिक इंडिगो की इन्वेंशन हो चुकी थी इन जर्मनी, जिसके चलते indigo cultivation declined in India. Question number 34. Wellesley established the Fort Williams College at Calcutta because he wanted to train British civilians for administrative purpose in India. The initial attempt to train the civil servants locally was done by Lord Wellesley. Within the campus of Fort William, he founded Fort Williams College on 10th July 1800. The idea was to teach British rookies understand the Oriental culture. Question number 35. उगलुन और ग्रेट टुम्बल जो है वो बिरसा मुंडा के रिवोल्ट के साथ अटैच्ड है. ये हम बहुत बार हिस्ट्री का एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. विद रेफरेंस टू स्कॉलर्स लिटरेचर्स ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. पाणिनि इज एसोसिएटेड विद पुष्यमित्रा शुंगा. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. पतंजलि वाज एसोसिएटेड विद हिम. अमरसिम्हा इज एसोसिएटेड विद हर्षवर्धन. दिस इज आल्सो इनकरेक्ट. अमरसिम्हा is associated with Chandragupta too. Kalidasa is associated with Chandragupta too. This is correct. So C is the correct answer here. So moving on to next question. In context of recent advances in human reproduction technology, pro-nuclear transfer is used for prevention of mitochondrial diseases in offsprings. Next question. With the present state of development, artificial intelligence can effectively do which of the following things? Here the correct answer is D. It can bring down electricity consumption in industrial units, create meaningful short stories and songs, disease diagnostics, text-to-speech conversion, wireless transmission of electrical energy. Moving on to next question. With reference to visible light communication technology, which of the following statements are correct? This wavelength is correct. It is known as short range optical wireless communication. This is incorrect. It can transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth at the speed of Wi-Fi, and it has no electromagnetic interference. This is correct. So answer here is C. Next, with reference to blockchain technology, consider the following. It is a public ledger that everyone can inspect but which no user controls. This is correct. Second statement, structure and design of blockchain is such that all data in it are about cryptocurrency only. This is incorrect. Blockchain, which are organizational for ensuring the integrity of transactional data, is essential of many cryptocurrencies. Next, applications that depend on basic feature of blockchain can be developed without anybody's permission. This is also incorrect because blockchains differs from public and private blockchains. So A is the only correct answer. Moving on to next question. With reference to carbon nanotubes, consider the following. They can be used as carriers of drugs and antigens in human body. This is correct. They can be made into artificial blood capillaries for injured part. This is also correct. They can use in biochemical sensors and are biodegradable. This is also correct because they can be degraded by oxidative enzymes. So D is the correct answer. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ है जो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ड्रोन की जा सकती है? इसमें भी ऑल द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. पेस्टिसाइड्स ऑलरेडी बहुत कंट्रीज में स्प्रे हो रहे हैं एंड जो क्रेटर्स हैं एक्टिव वॉल्केनोज के, ये पॉसिबल ही विद द ड्रोन हो पाया है कि इसको इंस्पेक्ट किया जाए बिकॉज ऑफ हाई टेम्परेचर्स. एंड कलेक्टिंग ब्रेथ सैंपल्स फ्रॉम स्पाउटिंग वेल्स फॉर DNA एनालिसिस फॉर हार्मोन्स एंड बैक्टीरिया और टू नो द फैमिली हिस्ट्री. So this is also correct. Question number 43. The experiment in the question, it refers to LISA Pathfinder. ये यूरोपियन स्पेस और नासा का मिशन है which involves 3 spacecraft flying approximately 5 million kilometers apart in an equilateral triangle formation. Next question. Genetic change can be introduced in cells that produce eggs or sperms of a prospective parents. This is correct. A person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. This is also correct. इस स्टेटमेंट में द कैन बी जो है वो इस स्टेटमेंट को करेक्ट बनाता है क्योंकि ये एक्सपेरिमेंट अभी ऑन गोइंग है, बट इट कैन बी इंजेक्टेड इनटू द एम्ब्रॉय ऑफ अ पिग. सो इट मेक्स ऑल द 3 स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ यूजिंग pneumococcal conjugate vaccines in India. They are effective against pneumonia. This statement is correct. This is also correct. This statement is doubted because in few cases there are allergic reactions to some persons. आप किसी भी वैक्सीन को ये नहीं कह सकते कि नो साइड इफेक्ट्स और नो एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस. देयर कुड बी माइल्ड एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस टू सम पर्सन्स which makes this statement incorrect. So 1 and 2 are the correct statements. So B is the correct answer. So moving on to next question. In India, the term public key infrastructure is used in context of digital security infrastructure. So A is the correct answer. Question number 47. Which of the following statements are correct regarding general differences between plant and animal cells? Answer here is C. Plant cells have cellulose cell walls. Animal cells don't. This is correct. Plant cells do not have plasma membrane. This is incorrect. Plasma membrane is found in all cells that separates the interior of cell from outside environment. In bacterial and plant cells, cell wall is attached to the plasma membrane. Next, mature plant cell have one large vacuole, whilst animal cell has many small. This is correct. Moving on to next question. Factors responsible for exposure of benzene pollution. These all are: benzene is a volatile organic compound, कार्सोजन भी है, और इसका सबसे बड़ा जो सोर्स है दैट इज ऑटोमोबाइल एग्जॉस्ट. उसके अलावा टोबैको स्मोक, ग्लूज, पेंट, फर्नीचर वैक्स, डिटर्जेंट. सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इफ अनदर ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हैपन इन नियर फ्यूचर, तो इनमें से कौन सा विल लाइकली गिव सम इम्यूनिटी टू इंडिया? तो जब पहला ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हुआ था तो इंडिया में इतना इम्पैक्ट क्यों नहीं आया था? बिकॉज ऑफ एब्सेंस ऑफ फुल कैपिटल अकाउंट कन्वर्टेबिलिटी, विच मेक्स दिस स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट. A strict check on short-term foreign borrowings. So, not depending on short-term foreign borrowings is correct. Next, opening up to more foreign banks, and here it is. It's India's relative disconnect with the foreign banks, insulated it from devastation. So, A is the correct answer. अगर आगे भी होता है तो these measures will work. Question number 50. If you withdraw rupees 1 lakh in cash from your demand deposit account at your bank, the immediate effect on aggregate money supply in the economy will be? it will leave it unchanged. So moving on to next question. With reference to FDI, which one of the following is considered its major characteristic? It is the investment through capital instruments essentially in a listed company. So A is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. With reference to international trade of India at present, which of the following statement is are correct? The correct answer is 1, 3 and 4. India's merchandise exports are less than its merchandise imports. This is correct. India's import of iron, steel, chemical, fertilizer and machinery have decreased. This is incorrect. India's exports of services are more than its imports of services. Recently, a data released by RBI in Handbook of Statistics on Indian Economy, it is clearly mentioned that the value of exports of services is more than value of import of services. India suffers from overall trade account deficit. This is correct. Next question. The term West Texas Intermediate is related to crude oil. It is the best quality of crude oil और ये अप्रैल 2020 में न्यूज़ में था because it fell to minus for the first time, or it is sourced from US oil fields primarily in Texas and North Dakota. So moving on to next question. In the context of Indian economy, non financial debt में क्या क्या आता है? तो इसमें ट्रेजरी बिल और अमाउंट्स ऑफ आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रेडिट कार्ड्स 100% आता है. तो अगर when 2 is correct, it makes 1 also correct. So D is the correct answer. In India, why are some nuclear reactions kept under IAEA safeguards while others are not? The correct answer here is B. Some use imported uranium and others use domestic supplies. Because India is not a party to NPT, so it has classified its nuclear facilities into two types: unsafeguarded and safeguarded. Unsafeguarded, where domestic uranium can be used anywhere in India, और सेफ गार्डेड जहाँ पे इंपोर्टेड यूरेनियम यूज़ करते हैं. तो आइए चेक करता है कि वेदर हम उसको सिविलियन पर्पस के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं या नहीं. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जो ट्रिम्स हैं इससे रिलेटेड कौन सी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है? तो अगर आपको ट्रिम्स के बारे में पता होगा तो आपको एक क्लियर चीज़ पता होगी कि डज नॉट अप्लाई टू सर्विसेज. तो इसमें लिखा है इट अप्लाइज टू बोथ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. तो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है. तो हिट एंड ट्रायल से भी अगर आप देखें, अगर सेकंड स्टेटमेंट एलिमिनेट कर दें, सी इज द आंसर. और ऐसे भी जो ट्रिम्स हैं, इट इज नॉट कंसर्न विद द रेगुलेशन ऑफ फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगर हम एक्सपेंशनिस्ट मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी की बात करें ऑफ आरबीआई, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वुड नॉट डू? सो 2 will be the answer here. So B is the correct answer. With reference to Indian economy after 1991 economic liberalization, C is the only correct option here. In rural areas, the growth in non-farm economy increased. Question number 59. In terms of short-term credit delivery, जो district central cooperative banks say they deliver more credit in comparison to scheduled commercial banks. And one of the most important function of DCCBs is to provide funds to primary agriculture societies. C is the correct answer. Both statements are correct. In India, under cyber insurance for individuals, in addition to payment for loss of funds, और कौन से benefits हैं? Here the statement 1, 3 and 4 are correct. अगर किसी ने willfully डैमेज किया होगा तो डेफिनेटली इंश्योरेंस में कभी भी कोई आपको पे नहीं करेगा. अदर ऑप्शंस आर देयर. जो साइबर इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट है, दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ इंश्योरेंस दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स इंडिविजुअल्स अगेंस्ट लॉसेस. इसमें दे कवर प्रोसिक्यूशन कॉस्ट विच अराइज व्हेन अ केस इज फाइल्ड अगेंस्ट अ थर्ड पार्टी. सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी कंसीडर्ड एज पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट? इसमें सारे ही ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हैं. Public expenditure on agriculture include both short-term cost as well as long-term investments. Next question. What is the importance of the term interest coverage ratio of a firm in India? Here the correct option is A. The level of ICR in terms of numeric, the better is the ability of a borrower to service its debts. So this statement is incorrect and both these statements are correct. Question number 63. Which of the following factors were affecting the price of rice in India in the recent past? All the 4 options are correct. इंडिया में राइस एक की डाइटरी स्टेपल है जिसपे MSP भी मिल रहा है, गवर्नमेंट इसको सब्सिडाइज भी कर रहा है, स्टॉक पाइल भी होता है, एंड गवर्नमेंट्स ट्रेड इट. स्टॉक पाइलिंग is done by FCI, and also in addition to this, FCI also resorts to open market sale of goods of food grain buffer stocks at below market prices to dampen the local market prices. So D is the correct answer. Question number 64. The value of Indo-Sri Lanka trade has consistently increased in the last decade. This is correct. Almost 9 times increase हुआ है between 2001 to 1819. Textile and textile article constitute an important item of trade between India and Bangladesh. This is also correct. Bangladesh has been a major textile trading partner for India, with a share of more than 5% in exports and over 7% in imports. In last 5 years, Nepal has been the largest trading partner of India in South Asia. This is incorrect. Bangladesh is the largest trading partner. So 1 and 2 are correct. A is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. इनमें से कौन सा ग्रुप है जो 4 countries member of G20? Answer here is A. Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States, and European Union. They are part of G20. Question number 66. Under the Kisan Credit Card Scheme, short-term credit support is given to farmer for which of the following purpose? Here B is the correct answer. They are given to meet the post-harvest expenses, working capital, maintenance of farm assets. These things can't be purchased with credit card. Consumption requirements of farm households. Construction of family house doesn't come under it. So, which makes this statement incorrect. The short-term credits can also be used for rearing of animals, bird, fish. So, moving on to next question. The weightage of food in consumer price index is higher than in wholesale price index. This is correct. WPI does not capture changes in prices of services. This is also correct. Because wholesale market is only for goods and you can't buy services on wholesale basis, which makes this statement correct. RBI has now adopted WPI as its key measure of inflation. This is incorrect. CPI is the key measure of inflation. So 1 and 2 are the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 68. The rivers which flow into the Mekong, it flows into South China Sea in a delta system in Vietnam. So this is incorrect. Thames, it drains into North Sea. Volga, it drains into Caspian Sea. This is correct. And Zambezi, it drains into Indian Ocean. This is also correct. 3 and 4 are correct. C is the correct answer. So moving on to next question. In case of all cereals, pulses, oilseeds, the procurement at minimum support price is unlimited in any state. This is not unlimited. There is a limited that overall procurement should not exceed 25% of actual production for that commodity in that particular year. और अगर आप इससे ज़्यादा की procurement करना चाहता है state या duty, तो उसको prior permission लेनी पड़ती है. So this is incorrect. In case of cereals and pulses, the MSP is fixed in any state at a level to which the market price will never rise. No, this is a minimum, not the maximum. So 2 is also incorrect. So D is the answer here. Question number 70. The correct answer here is C. Commercial paper is a short-term unsecured promissory note. This is correct. Certificate of deposit जो है, it is not issued by RBI. It is issued by all selected Indian financial institutions like Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. It is regulated by RBI. So this is incorrect. Call money is a short-term finance used for interbank transaction. This is correct. Zero coupon bonds are the interest-bearing short-term bonds. No, they does not pay interest but instead trades at the deep discount. So this is also incorrect. Moving on to next question. The correct answer here is B. Parivajika, they are wanderers. The Shramana, they are a wandering monk. who are a seeker of a way but haven't achieved yet. So B is incorrect. Upasaka is lay follower of Buddhism. This is correct. They were mainly followers of Buddhism. This title is given to those persons. The Upasak is a male person and Upasika is the female. So moving on to next question. With reference to Indian elephants, leader of an elephant group is a female. This is correct. Maximum gestation period can be 22 months. This is also correct. An elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. Only statements makes this incorrect. Though constant age is between 60 and 40, but still they can give birth till age of 60 years. Among the states in India, highest elephant population is in Kerala. No, this is in Karnataka. So these two statements are incorrect. 1 and 2 are only the correct options. Which of the following protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin? This Nagarhole is correct. Kabini, a tributary of Kaveri, drains this park. Papikonda National Park is in Andhra Pradesh. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, river Bhavani passes through it, which is tributary of this Kaveri river, and Wayanad is also included in it. So C is the correct answer. Nagarhole and Wayanad are interconnected. So moving on to next question. With reference to India's biodiversity, sea lion, frogmouth, coppersmith barbet, grey-chinned minivet and white-throat redstarts are birds. A is the correct answer. Question number 75. Which one of the following protected area is well known for conservation of subspecies of Indian swamp deer? Barasinga. Answer here is A. Kanha National Park. जो बारासिंगा, it is the state animal of Madhya Pradesh. So A is the correct answer. Steel slag can be the material for which of the following? Construction of base road, improvement in agriculture, soil and production of cement. All three are correct. It can be used as coarse aggregate for concrete, cement clinker raw material for rock wool, and calcium silicate fertilizer. Moving on to next question. Which of the following are the most likely places to find musk deer? The correct answer is A and B. Both of them are in Uttarakhand. Question number 78. In rural road construction, use of which of the following is preferred for ensuring environmental sustainability? इस क्वेश्चन में environment sustainability is the keyword. So the correct answer here is 1, 2 and 3. Copper slag, क्योंकि ये इंडस्ट्री का बाय प्रोडक्ट है, which is harmful for environment. Cold mix asphalt, ये न्यूज में था, and geotextiles. Both of these are used, but they are not good for environment sustainability or to reduce carbon footprint. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. So moving on to next question. Coal ash contains arsenic, lead and mercury. This is correct. 1 is correct. Second, coal-fired power plants release sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. This is correct. High ash content is observed in Indian coal. This is also correct. All these three statements are correct. What is the use of biochar in farming? The correct answer here is B only. It can be used as part of growing medium in vertical farming. In a study, it is proved that it is not good in vertical farming. Vertical farming क्या होती है कि जैसे हाइड्रोपोनिक्स, एक्वाफोनिक्स, एरोपोनिक्स, जिसमें कि विदाउट सॉइल कल्टीवेशन होती है, ये उसमें सक्सेसफुल नहीं है. सो इफ अगर आप 1 को एलिमिनेट करते हैं तो B इज द ओनली करेक्ट आंसर. सो मूविंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लांट स्पीशीज को शेड्यूल 6 ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972 में रखते हैं तो such a plant cannot be cultivated under any circumstances because it is prohibited from cultivation and planting. Question number 82. With reference to period of Gupta dynasty in ancient India, the towns of Gansala, Kadura and Chaul were well known as ports handling foreign trade. इसमें जो फर्स्ट दोनों हैं they were in Andhra Pradesh and the Chaul is on the western coast of India. Question number 83. What are the advantages of zero tillage in agriculture? Sowing of wheat is possible without burning the residues of previous crop. ये स्टेटमेंट इसलिए करेक्ट है क्योंकि विदाउट बर्निंग यू कैन यूज, लेकिन उस रेसिड्यू को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा क्रॉप से, इट उसको उसका रिमूवल हो जाएगा इजीली विदाउट बर्निंग इट। सेकंड, विदाउट द नीड ऑफ नर्सरी राइस सैपलिंग्स डायरेक्ट प्लांटिंग ऑफ पैडी सीड्स इन वेट सॉइल इज पॉसिबल। दिस इज करेक्ट क्योंकि इस बार ये एक्सपेरिमेंट पंजाब और हरियाणा में किया गया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ हैप्पी सीडर। एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन इज आल्सो करेक्ट, सो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। So moving on to next question. According to India's national policy on biofuels, which of the following can be used as raw material for production? गवर्नमेंट ने उन सब चीज़ों को अलाउ किया जिनको हम फूड आइटम्स में नॉर्मली नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं। कसावा, डैमेज व्हीट ग्रेन्स, रॉटन पोटैटोज एंड शुगर बीट। सो ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। 1, 2, 5 and 6, groundnut seeds not and not horse gram. Question number 85. Social cost of carbon, it is a measure in monetary value of long-term damage done by a ton of carbon dioxide emission in a given year. A is the correct answer. With reference to pulse production in India, consider the following statements. Black gram can be cultivated as both kharif and rabi crops. This is incorrect. It is a kharif crop. Green gram alone accounts for nearly half of pulse production. This is correct. It is followed by tur. In the last 3 decades, while the production of kharif pulses has increased, the production of rabi pulses has decreased. This statement is also incorrect. So B is the only, C is the only correct answer because 2 is the only correct option. So moving on to next question. This crop is cotton. 210 frost-free days, 50 to 100 centimeters of rainfall is required by cotton plant. So moving on to next question. With reference to solar water pumps, consider the following statements. Solar pump can be used for running surface pumps and not for submersible pumps. This is incorrect. It can be used for running submersible pumps. Second, solar pump can be used for running centrifugal pumps and not ones with piston. This is also incorrect. It can be used for running centrifugal pumps, लेकिन it is less suitable for centrifugal. But many solar pumps use positive displacement pump which uses piston. So both the statements are incorrect. D is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. With reference to current trends in cultivation of sugarcane in India, consider the following statements. A substantial saving in seed material is made when bud chip seedlings are raised in nursery and transplanted in main field. This is correct. Sugarcane can be cultivated using seedlings prepared from tissue culture. ये जो bud chip seedlings है, they are prepared from tissue culture. So 1 and 4, C is the correct answer. Next question. In the context of India, which of the following consider eco-friendly in agriculture? Crop diversification. This is correct. क्योंकि सेम जो क्रॉप है वो सेम टाइप के न्यूट्रिएंट्स को डिप्लीट करती है सॉइल से। लेग्यूम एंड इंटेंसिफिकेशन नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन के लिए ज़रूरी है। आपकी उतनी डिपेंडेंस फर्टिलाइजर पे कमी की। टेंसोमीटर आपको वाटर रिटेंशन बताएगा सॉइल का। दिस इज आल्सो इको फ्रेंडली। वर्टिकल फार्मिंग, आई हैव अर्लियर टोल्ड यू that it does not require the use of soil as a medium. So all the 4 are eco-friendly practices. So moving on to next question. Advantages of fertigation. The answer here is C. It controls the alkalinity of irrigation. Water is controlling the alkalinity of irrigation water is possible. Increased availability of nutrients. Reduction in leaching of chemical nutrients is possible. क्योंकि इसमें एग्जैक्टली रूट्स पे अप्लाई किया जाता है। जो फर्टिलाइजर होता है इसमें एग्जैक्टली रूट्स पे अप्लाई किया जाता है। सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इनमें से कौन से मेजर मिनरल्स हैं? क्रोमाइट, कैनाइट एंड 2, 3 and 4. This is officially designated as a minor mineral in India. So moving on to next question. So with reference to ocean mean temperature, which of the following statement is correct? OMT is measured up to a depth of 26 degree isotherm, which is 129 meter in southwestern Indian Ocean during January-March. This measurement is only 59 meters in Indian Ocean. This question has been directly asked from the Hindu, and the second option is correct. So B is the correct answer. With reference to chemical fertilizers, at present retail price of chemical fertilizer is market driven, not administered by government. This statement is incorrect. Ammonia, which is an input of urea, is produced from natural gas. This is correct. Sulfur, which is a raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizer, is a sulfur is a byproduct of oil refineries and gas processing, but it is not a raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizer. So D is also incorrect. C is the correct answer. Question number 95. India's desert national park जो है, it is spread over 2 districts. This is correct. Jaisalmer and Barmer. There is no human habitation inside the park. This is incorrect. There is human presence, but negligible. There are people. It is one of the natural habitats of Great Indian Bustard. This is correct. So 1 and 3 are the correct statements. C is the correct answer. Siachen Glacier is situated north of Nubra Valley, and its base camp is located on the banks of Nubra River. So moving on to next question. Famous places and the present state. Bilsa it is now known as Vidisha. 1 is correct. Dawar Samundra is Halbedu in Karnataka. So this is incorrect. Girinagar in Gujarat. This is correct. Girnar. Sthaneshwar is now known as Thaneshwar, and now it is in Haryana. So this statement is again incorrect. 1 and 3 are the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Question number 98. 36% of India's districts are classified as overexploited or critical. This is incorrect. 22%. So 1 is incorrect here. Central Groundwater Authority was formed under Environment Protection Act. This is correct. India has the largest area under groundwater irrigation in world. This is also correct. 2 and 3 are the correct statement. B is the correct answer. Question number 99. Jet streams occur in northern hemisphere only. This is incorrect. They occur in both hemispheres. Only some cyclones develop an eye. This is correct. The mature and the very violent one develops an eye. The temperature inside eye of cyclone is nearly 10 degree lesser. This is incorrect. In fact, it is 10 degree warmer. So this is incorrect. 2 is only the correct answer. Next question. Among the following tiger reserves, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? Mean to say, उसका जो buffer zone है, किसमें ज़्यादा है? The correct answer is Sundarbans. So with this, we conclude this paper. Thank you for watching this video. In case आप लोगों को कोई भी query, कोई doubt है, please do let us know in the comment section. We will give you the source of the correct answer from where we have taken this answer. If you like our effort, you appreciate this effort, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.